Fine, this is problem number 6. Let us work on it. If 4 to the power of x is equal to 64, then find the value of 12 to the power of 2x minus 6. We need to find the value of this. Right. So the question they have given here is 4 to the power of x is equal to 64. We need to find the value of x here. Value of x. Then after finding the value of x, that x we are supposed to substitute here and find the value of this 12 to the power of 2x minus 6. Let us check out here. 4 to the power of x is equal to 64. So now, 4 to the power of x, this also we need to write in terms of 4 to the power of something, right? So let us check out here. This can be rewrite 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 4 is 64. So 4 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of 3, right? As the base is same, so x is equal to 3. So we found the value of x is equal to 3. Now, so the question is we need to find the value of 12 to the power of 2x minus 6. Now substitute the value of x here, that is 12 to the power of 2 into 3 minus 6. So 12 to the power of 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 6, right? So that is nothing but, right, 12 to the power of 0. So 12 to the power of 0 is nothing but what? 1, right? So that is a to the power of 0 is always a. 1, right? 1, right? Option B is the right one.